meet someone new and your brain goes empty. You don't know what to say first. Sound familiar?
Today, that ends. By the end of this video, you'll never freeze again. Not with a stranger, not with a coworker, not with anyone.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Every Day. I'm Olivia.
And I'm John. Today, we're starting something brand new. A whole season together. 12 weeks. Real conversations, real confidence.
And today's lesson is the very first skill every English speaker needs: greeting someone and introducing yourself.
By the end of this video, you'll be able to walk up to anyone. A stranger, a coworker, someone at a party, even someone in a shop, and say hello with confidence.
Grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's start.
Situation 1. Meeting someone casually. Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Anna.
Hi, Anna. I'm Marco. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How's it going?
Pretty good, thanks. And you?
I'm good, thanks. Do you come here often?
Actually, this is my first time. My friend told me about this place.
Oh, nice. Well, welcome. It's a great spot. Let's slow that down. I don't think we've met. That's a soft, friendly way to say, I don't know you. It's much gentler than just saying, I don't know you, which can sound a little rude.
And how's it going? That's just a relaxed way of saying, how are you? Americans and Brits say this all the time, probably more than how are you.
And did you notice? Anna asked a follow-up question. Do you come here often? That's a small talk trick. It keeps the conversation going naturally instead of stopping after one exchange. Situation 2. Meeting a coworker.
Hi, I'm John. I just started today.
Oh, welcome. I'm Olivia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What's your role here?
I'm on the design team. What about you?
I'm in marketing. I'll be sitting just over there, actually.
Perfect. We're neighbors then. If you have any questions today, just ask me.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
Notice, in this situation, it's a little more polite. We say, what's your role? Instead of just, what do you do? Both are fine, but what's your role sounds a bit more professional, especially on your first day somewhere new. And I really appreciate that is a warmer way of saying thank you. Keep that phrase. You'll use it a lot.
Situation 3. Introducing yourself in a group. Hey everyone, this is my friend Sam.
Hi, nice to meet you all. I'm Sam.
Hi Sam, where are you from?
I'm from Chicago. What about you?
I'm from here, actually. How do you know our host?
We went to university together. A long time ago now.
That's great. Small world. Where are you from is one of the most common questions in English. You will hear it constantly.
And the answer is easy. I'm from plus your city or country.
One more useful phrase there. Small world. We say that when there's a surprising connection between people. It's a fun way to react.
Situation 4. Meeting someone in a shop.
Hi, excuse me, is this your first time working here?
Huh. Actually, yes. Is it that obvious?
A little bit. I'm Olivia, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Olivia. I'm David.
Nice to meet you too, David. Welcome to the neighborhood.
By the way is a really useful little phrase. We use it to add extra information casually, almost as an afterthought.
And is it that obvious? Is a light, funny response when someone notices something about you. Keep that one in your back pocket.
Language breakdown. Let's review the key phrases from today. Hi, hello, hey. All mean the same thing, just different levels of casual. Nice to meet you. Respond with, nice to meet you too. How's it going? Pretty good, thanks. I'm good, thanks. What's your name? My name is. Where are you from? I'm from. By the way, adding casual extra information. Small world. Reacting to a surprising connection. Quick tip. Hey is the most casual. Don't use it with your boss on the first day. And remember, every one of today's conversations had a follow-up question. That's the real secret to sounding natural. Never stop at one exchange.
Pronunciation practice. Let's practice nice to meet you. Listen first. Nice to meet you. Now you try. Nice to meet you.
Notice we don't say every word separately. It flows together. Nice to meet you. Try that. One more time, a little faster. Nice to meet you.
Now let's do where are you from? Listen. Where are you from? Your turn. Where are you from?
Great! One more round. Everyone together in your head. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? How's it going?
Mini quiz. Quick quiz. Someone asks you, how's it going? What do you say?
If you said, pretty good, thanks. And you? You got it.
Second question. What's a friendly way to say, I don't know you?
I don't think we've met. Exactly right. Here's your challenge. Look at the camera like it's a real person. Introduce yourself, your name, where you're from, and ask them a follow-up question. Say it out loud right now.
Great job. However that sounded, you just spoke English out loud with a real follow-up question. That's how confidence starts. Write your introduction in the comments below, your name and where you're from. We read every single one.
And in the next episode, we're going deeper into greeting vocabulary, including the phrases native speakers use that you never learned in school.
See you there. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.